Action.
Hi guys, mpishi aje kwenyu. So today I'm making chicken burger for the first time, and here are my ingredients. Yes, I have the chicken breast. Yeah, this is all I'm using today. So see you on the next one. Our chicken breast is already marinated. Here are the onions, both white onion and red onion. Ho. These ones I'll use later. So I'll also add this sausage smokies and that tomato paste because I'm not going to use tomatoes. Yeah, let's go on. So we are going in with our chicken. Kuna mafuta na hiyo mafuta ni moto. Yeah. Kuna like I've already my pan is already heated and it has some cooking oil. So now we go in with the chicken breast. Tuzipange. Alafu we'll give them some time so that you can go in with soy sauce, tomato sauce. Yeah. Sasa. It's time to turn the chicken so that they don't stick like this yungue. Yeah. And you're supposed to keep on turning so that they don't stick on the nini. Kwanza our breast is bloider. Yeah. Make sure you're cooking on low heat. And now it's time to cover. My nails. So now we are going in with chicken to add taste or whatever. Oh, onions, sorry. A little bit of onions because later we are going to add some more. Hii ni ya stimulate. So we go in with soy sauce.
Tomato sauce.
Our tomato sauce.
Tomato paste.
Our tomato paste. Yote. After this, you're going to stir and mix. Yeah, it's doing perfectly well. Now let's add more onions, red onions, white onions, and ho. Green bell pepper. Yeah. Then we stir. Our chicken breast is cooked. It's so ready. Now we are going to prep the other ones. Yeah. On the same pan, we are going to go in with our smokies. We warm them, but we are going to mix them with the fries. I'm not using the sauteed potatoes or potato wedges. I'm using chips. Chipo. Yeah. Spring onions and our sim buns are ready. We are making 4, like 2 pairs for each. Our chicken is here, our chicken breast here, but we forgot to buy lettuce. And the fries and sausage smokies are here and ready to serve.
2, 1, action.
So the product is out. We are ready to serve. Okay, it's already served, but you guys look at that. You can't even say it's for, I'm doing this for the first time. Look at this. I didn't use anyone's recipe, I just did me, and I love it. Let's taste and I'll tell you how it tastes. Look at that.
1, action.
This is my burger. Let's taste. Perfect.
Action.
Inawapa recipe kisha maliza kula. Yeah.